Alright, they've hooked up to the tractor without the trailer. They might have a shot, but the tractor struggled getting up on its own. So we will see. Oh, they're getting somewhere. They're getting somewhere. Oh, now they're at the peak. They're at the peak. Oh, oh, oh.
Tractor got stuck before the transport did.
Wah, wah. Yeah, they're definitely destroying the laneway. Alright. See, one of them right now thinks that one of them was a little easy on the throttle. It's the only reason they try and redo it again. Well, they very swiftly got themselves in a little bit of a problem. I don't know why I use the word swiftly right there. It's because that's the name on the side of their truck that they got stuck. Oh, here we go. Oh. It's even steeper going up that way. They need to stick with the road. It's more gradual.
They might have it.
Oh, oh. Oh, they got it. They got it. They got it.